So we have three elements right there. The vision, saan papunta, the common goal. Goal means it's measurable, nasusukat siya, there's a number, and there's a deadline. So ano yung specific target, daily, weekly, monthly, para makarating dun sa vision? That's the common goal. Goal ng kabuuan. At individual goal, syempre dapat alam nila what's in it for them kung tatrabahuhin nila to, kung gagalingan nila, kung saseryosohin nila. At dapat malinaw sa team, sino sila as a person, and who they have to become in the company itself. Pag nasa operation sila, malinaw kung sino sila. Kapag nasa logistics sila, malinaw. Pag manager sila, malinaw. Kapag nasa sales sila, malinaw yung trabaho nila. It has to be clear. At malinaw din, bakit natin to ginagawa? Bakit tayo nagpapagod? Bakit tayo nagpapakahirap? The vision, the goals, na related sa specific why nila. Pwedeng family nila, mahal nila sa buhay, or maybe gusto nilang putulin yung kahirapan ng family. Either way, lahat yan may malinaw na why.